Hey folks, it's Greg Rice. We're here at Nexus Property Management's headquarters in Pawtucket, Rhode Island. And right now I wanted to make this video to talk about a potential franchise that I saw for sale online. It's called a Carl's Jr. And what it is a fast food restaurant that sells hamburgers, hot dogs, french fries, that sort of thing. And to get started as a Carl's Jr. franchisee, you could spend $2.2 million. Like that. Okay? And I don't know much about this business or their model, but what I can see from a general business perspective is that you're going to have to sell a lot of hamburgers and french fries to even come close to breaking even, not talking about a profit. Okay? Think about it this way. The average customer going into a fast food restaurant doesn't want to spend more than $10 per person. That's why they're there. They want it cheaply and they want it quickly. And on top of this, your staffing will be dozens and dozens of employees in an industry that historically has one of the highest turnover rates. Okay? A lot of people, it's their first job to work in a restaurant. It's not their goal. It's not their career. So you're constantly fighting that battle of staffing. Then your inventory, okay? You got to keep fresh bread, fresh meats. All of these things are constantly and quickly spoiling. So you have that fire to fight. Also, you have a building to maintain, and equipment to maintain, and health inspectors to satisfy. Okay, there's so many moving parts in that type of industry. For a price tag of $2.2 million, it seems absurd. It seems so crazy that that's what it costs and that people are paying it. Where is your profit? Where is your career? Where is your potential to scale or become an absentee owner? It doesn't seem possible. It seems like you're buying a full-time, almost triple full-time. Okay, you got to be there every day, every hour to ensure the ship is running smooth. You can't digitally or remotely serve your customers, right? Or monitor your income, your inventory, your equipment. You have to physically be there. Now, as a Nexus franchisee, you're spending $25,000 to get started. That's it? $25,000? A small office? Virtually no inventory. Desk, chair, computer, that's about it. And your staffing depends on how many units you manage. So if you're just starting out, it's just going to be you. So your payroll, your insurance, your utilities, all of these things are relative to how you grow. What's better than that? And on top of that, you can remotely operate the business. All of your customers are going to be likely in other states, other cities, other counties. And you service them efficiently online. The tenants pay their rent online. You post your bills online. You do your payroll with our proprietary software. You don't even need staff members to do clerical and secretarial functions. I can keep going about the comparison. And I know food is much different than property management, but if we boil this down, this is a business investment for either one. And to spend $2.2 million with virtually no upside, no career in sight for anybody other than you as the franchisee, it seems like a very bad deal. With a Nexus franchise, not only do you as the franchisee have an opportunity to grow, but your employees do as well. Think about your maintenance technicians. One day they can become the maintenance director or even the general manager of the company. There's upward mobility available to everybody, and that's severely underrated. That's one of the important benefits that we offer, is the ability for everybody to grow and for everybody to become more successful. Can Carl's Jr. say that? I don't think so. For more information about the Nexus franchise, check us out on the web, nexuspropertymanagement.com/franchise. Once again, this is Gregory Rice. We're here at Nexus Property Management's headquarters. Your property managed.